Hello, everyone, and happy Monday. I hope you had a wonderful weekend. Thank you so much for joining the Best Lending Show. My name is Chris Balla with the Arsenault Group at McLean Mortgage. Our goal is to help educate you on the world of residential mortgage lending, as well as update you on the financial markets. So thank you for joining us on this Market Monday. Let's just dive right into it, shall we? So, as mentioned last week, one of the major indices I wanted you to watch was the 10-year treasury note. We were trading in this range between 1.77 and 1.88%. And last Friday, we broke the threshold. We are now trading at about 1.91 or about 1.92 on the treasury note, and rates have followed accordingly. They have ticked up slightly, and I think the national average right now is about 3.875% for a 30-year fixed note. So the trend has not been our friend. I highly anticipate it's going to be a very volatile Thursday. The CPI Index announcement is coming out, or the Consumer Price Index. This is a heavily weighted number that the Fed uses with regards to their inflation numbers. Last month, it was deemed 7% inflation. So if we see any increase to that inflation number, say 7.5%, you can anticipate that rates are going to tick up even further. Inflation is the enemy of bonds and rates. So if inflation is rising, interest rates will also follow suit. So we'll give you a flash update if we see anything major on Thursday that we need to warn you guys about. But that's what the world of the bond market is doing right now on this lovely Monday. In addition, I did want to give you guys two announcements for our Virginia realtors, as well as anyone that is looking to buy condos. Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac made an announcement responding to the Surfside tragedy. For those of you who are not aware, there was a condominium in Florida that completely collapsed last year. And in response, Fannie Mae and Freddie Mac will be requiring some additional information on the overall safety and maintenance of a condominium. And I'll just take a little excerpt from the article that I will share below with regards to this announcement. Fannie Mae is responding to the Surfside tragedy by requiring co-ops and condos to address repairs and maintenance that impact safety, soundness, structural integrity, or habituality of their properties before it will issue financing. Deferred maintenance items or received repair directives from a regulatory administration has to be completed prior to closing. So if you have any borrowers that are looking to purchase in a condo, please be aware that if it's an older building and there was any maintenance done, we need additional documentation starting April 1st. That is when this rollover of the condo questionnaire will take into effect. And on that note as well, we are also going to have to address the reserve requirement of these condominiums. It wasn't really reinforced prior to this announcement, but now we are going to have to prove at least 10% reserves for some of these condominiums. McLean Mortgage is working diligently to update the condo questionnaire to ensure that the associations are not doing extra work. We're going to try to make this as simple as possible since it's been a major change and a lot of these condos have not been used to answering some of these questions. So our team is working diligently to make the best condo questionnaire out on the market. And as we come up with that final product, I'll be sure to share you guys a copy so that everyone's on the same page with the new requirements. And last but not least, for all my Virginia realtors out there, there has been an announcement with split settlements. The devil's always in the details. Apparently, this law has been around for a while, but now, as of February 4th, they're officially going to be enforcing the law, which states that split settlements in the state of Virginia are not authorized. So I've included verbiage from the state in the link below, but as always, I would highly recommend to reach out directly to your settlement attorney to guide you or answer any questions you might have on that matter. So once again, thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you guys have an excellent week. Keep crushing it, and chat with you guys soon. Have a good one.